Chapter 29 Fairs. A fair is a gathering of people for a variety of entertainment as well as commercial activity. India has many fairs. Some of them are given below. 1. Kumbh Mela. Also called Kumbh Mela in Hinduism, is a religious festival that is celebrated 4 times over the course of 12 years. The site of the observance rotating between 4 pilgrimage places on 4 sacred rivers. At Haridwar on the Ganga river, at Ujjain on the Shipra, at Nasik on the Godavari, and at Prayag, modern Prayagraj, at the confluence of the Ganga, Jamuna, and the mythical Saraswati. 2. Sonpur Fair. Sonpur Cattle Fair is held on Kartik Purnima, the full moon day, over the months of November and December in Sonpur, Bihar. It is the largest cattle fair in Asia, held on the confluence of river Ganga, Gandam. It is also known as Harihar Kshetra Mela. 2. Tarnetar Fair. This festival tradition is believed to have begun 200 to 250 years ago. The fair is held on the grounds of the temples of Triniteshwar Mahadev, which means the three-eyed god. The fair is held for 3 days every year during the Hindu calendar dates of Bhadrav, Sod, 4th, 5th and 6th. 4. Gangaur Fair. This fair is held in Rajasthan by women taking out processions of images of the divine couple Lord Shiva and Parvati. It starts on the day of the month of Chaitra as per Hindu calendar, which is on the following day of Holi, and is consummated on the 3rd day of Shukla Paksh of the same month. 5. Ganga Sagar Mela. This Mela is held every year at Ganga Sagar, West Bengal, India on the occasion of Makar Sankranti at Kapil Muni's ashram. The confluence of the Ganges and the Bay of Bengal is called Ganga Sagar. 6. Ars Ajmer Sharif. It is a Sufi shrine located in Ajmer, India. It is dedicated to the Sufi saint Moinuddin Chishti, who is believed to have initiated a spiritual revolution in India. The dargah is visited by people of all religions who come to seek blessings and spiritual solace. 7. Pushkar Fair. It is one of the India's largest camel, horse and cattle fairs. It is an annual 5-day camel and livestock fair. Apart from the trading of livestock, it is also an important pilgrimage season for Hindus for the Pushkar Lake. It has become a significant tourist attraction for domestic and international travelers given the cooler season, the abundance of colorful cultural themes. 8. Carnival, also called Carnaval, in Jews, Entardo, or colloquially Viva Carnival, refers to the festival of Carnival or Mardi Gras in the Indian state of Goa. Though significantly smaller than the well-known Rio Carnival or the Portuguese Carnival of Madeira, the Goa Carnival is the largest in India and one of the few traditional celebrations of the Western Christian holiday in Asia.